Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at this Marshalltown line maker. Now, you're asking me probably, if you're not familiar with concrete, what do you need a line maker for in concrete? When you put a big concrete slab, you have to either cut with a saw or you're going to use a tool like this, and you are going to run it through your concrete and make a nice straight line. And what that's called is a control joint. So these are basically control joint tools. When I say control joint, what that means is it is going to be the place where when the concrete tries to crack, it will hopefully go down that joint and not out elsewhere on your concrete. So you control where you have your cracks. Now, when we're looking at this Marshalltown control joint maker, the one thing I'm going to point out, it's extremely heavy. It's heavy made, heavy duty. I've had this one for several years. It gets thrown around, thrown in toolboxes. It still looks like it did the day that I got it. You want one that's made very heavy. You don't want a light one. When I mean heavy, I mean heavy weight. You want to be able to put it down in that concrete and push it across and make a really nice control joint where it looks nice. They have a very good heavy duty rubber handle. It's made to be very comfortable when you're working, and I have very large hands, and if you notice, I can hold this very easily without any problem. Even a gloved hand, this works very well. So if you're needing to cut a control joint and you don't want to use a saw, this is a great tool while the concrete is wet to go ahead and cut that joint in. So I hope this helps. We will see you guys on the next review.